Hi, friends. Welcome back. This is Barbara, and you're at my home sweet home. We're out in the garden today. Today, I'm sharing one of those quietly powerful garden staples that I pull out season after season, Alaska Fish Fertilizer 511. Honestly, it's a nitrogen-rich fish emulsion that really helps with leafy growth and overall plant vigor, especially when your garden is in that midsummer heavy production phase, which is where ours is at. What I love is how gentle and dependable it is when you use it as directed, of course. I'm someone who uses a few different kinds of fertilizers, as you've noticed, in my garden because I like giving my plants a variety of nutrients. And this is one I rotate in when my flowers and veggies need a little extra support to keep going strong. It's also OMRI listed. OMRI listed? Yeah, which matters to me because it's certified for organic gardening and food production. That's great. So it fits beautifully into an intentional, natural gardening routine. It's easy to use. You just mix it with water and feed about every 3 weeks during the growing season, and it's designed for all kinds of vegetables, gardens, fruits, herbs, roses, shrubs, even containers. So, which is what I do a lot of container gardening here. So, it is not one of those one trick products that only works for just one plant. Home sweet home tip, feed consistently during peak production and your garden stays lush, steady, and happy without the drama. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.